Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Madinah Arabic and your series Learn Arabic by Examples.
سلام الله عليكم ورحمته وبركاته. أسعد الله أوقاتكم.
In this video, we'll continue learning questioning articles.
إن شاء الله.
Allah willing. Madinah Arabic, your portal to learn Arabic. Welcome! Now we'll learn the questioning words preceded by prepositions. Here is a table of the common questioning words that we have learned in the previous video.
من ما ماذا كيف متى أين كم أي.
And here is a table of the common Arabic prepositions.
بي ك لي من عن في إلى على.
Firstly, the general rule is the separation between the preposition and the questioning word. Example:
من أين أنت؟ إلى أي بلد تسافر؟
Secondly, some prepositions as be, ka, li can be separated from the questioning words. Examples:
بكم هذا القميص؟ لماذا تأخرت؟
The preposition fi could be attached to some questioning words and separated from others. Examples:
في أي بلد تعيش؟ في من تفكر؟
Thirdly and finally, some prepositions, those ending with noon, must be mixed with the questioning words من, ما, ماذا. Examples:
عمن تتحدث؟ ممن اشتريت هذا القميص؟
The questioning word ما must be attached or mixed with any preceding preposition. It also loses the long alif when attached or mixed.
بما تكتب؟ عما تسأل؟
There is also an important tip here. When ما is attached to إلى, على, we must change the alif مقصورة into normal alif.
إلى ما تنظر؟ على ما تبكي؟
Madinah Arabic, your portal to learn Arabic. Welcome back. Now we will learn about the questioning particles, which require yes or no in the answer sentence. This kind of particles is not found in English or European languages. They normally ask with the auxiliary verb as, is this your pen? In Arabic, we ask this question using two particles, as,
أهذا قلمك؟ هل هذا قلمك؟
Are these two questions similar? This is an important Arabic hint. To find the answer, please watch the previous video from our series Arabic Hints.
مع السلامة.
Goodbye.
السلام عليكم. I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to receive about any new video we upload. Sign up today and get your free one-to-one trial lesson with one of our male and female native Arabic tutors at Madinah Arabic Tuition Center. No credit card required.